and welcome to Crafternoon. My name is Pam and I work at the North Valleys Library. Today, in celebration of Revenge of the Sith Day, or Star Wars Day, we are going to be making a Star Wars book corner. So it's like a bookmark. You can just put it on a piece of paper, just like this, so you can keep your place in your book. So, what are you going to need today? You will need the following materials: some pieces of paper, and I'm making R2-D2 today, so we need white for R2-D2, or gray if you have it. I don't have gray, so I'm going to use white and color it in. Some scissors, and a glue stick is for sure. You can use a compass if you're making some of the other Star Wars characters, or maybe a hole punch. You might need that as well, but we probably won't need that today. So I'm going to start by doing some folding. So first you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold one corner up to the other edge and try to get it right at the corner there. You're going to fold that and make a nice good mark on that. Then you're going to cut it. So you're going to just cut off this rectangular edge you have here, because we need that piece, but we don't need it attached. It's going to make all of our decorations later. Okay, so we're going to set aside our rectangle, and we have our triangle left over. So we're going to take this triangle, we're going to make it a square again by tipping these up and folding them to the point at the opposite end of the angle. And the other side too. Now you've got a square once more. Now you're going to unfold those, then you're going to fold this center flap down toward the center of the other side. So you have it like that. Then you're going to unfold it and fold it back over again. Then you're going to take this side and this side, fold them back up again, and fold it down to the point, just to make a nice good score on that one. Same thing with the other side. Nice good score. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to fold them back up and fold them back into the inside. Back into the inside. So now you have your book corner. Bookmark. And you can decorate it however you want at this point. But today we are going to make ourselves an R2-D2. First step, color the top portion gray or silver. I happen to have a silver marker, so I'm going to use that. But you can use crayons, pens, whatever you have at home. Okay. My silver is all done. Next step is to take this spare piece of paper that we had and color a portion of it blue. You can use a blue pen, blue highlighter, whatever you have at hand. I have a blue pencil. I'm just going to use that. Okay, done with that. Now I'm going to take my piece of paper and I'm going to cut some strips off of it to make the decorations for R2. So R2 has all these stripes on him and long things, so I'm just going to cut a couple of strips off and then leave enough that I can make some of the larger pieces, like the trapezoid. So the trapezoid, you're just going to cut a nice thick strip off of there. Then you're going to cut in at an angle, and you can save that triangle for another piece to use, and in at this angle. So now you have your trapezoid. So for the trapezoid, I put that on first only because then I can place the rest of my pieces, and sometimes I run out of room. So I made my trapezoid a little long. Maybe I'll cut off the top of it. So now it's time to glue a few pieces on and see what we're doing. bars for my R2. Cut another corner here. This guy right here, and a little bit of a shorter guy in the corner. Okay, now with the rest of my white paper, I might cut some bigger circles and smaller circles to put buttons on him and his eye. So I'm gonna cut out a circle for his eye. If you have a hole punch at home, go ahead and use it if you want, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. And I'm going to put a little circle there, and you notice when I put that little circle there, that's going to be like the gleam in his eye, the little white spot that I have over here. Okay, there's his eye. Oh, I probably should have measured first, but that's okay. There's his eye. I think that looks good. Now let's make one of these other buttons. I have some scissors. All right, I'm going to glue him on there. It's got a little button on him. And then if we want the little red one, you can do that as well. I don't think I want the red one today, but I like the little thing at the top. So I'm going to cut one of those out. And I just kind of cut a little curve in the top of a blue piece of paper and glue that guy on. All right. Oh, I think he does need a red piece. I feel like he does. So I'm going to color in some red on my piece of paper and then just cut out a red dot. Okay, now where to put his red dot? I think I'll put his red dot right here on top of the blue thing. All right, so I think he's kind of done. So there's my R2, and if you want to make other ones, let me show you what else we have. I have a Stormtrooper, C-3PO, BB-8, Yoda, and of course Darth Vader. Now, as you can tell from the BB-8, I did use the a compass, and I think I used a compass and a hole punch for his eye on him. But other than that, I just freehanded them all. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's craft and you make some book corners, and if you don't want to make R2, you could make somebody else. Thank you for joining us today on Crafternoon, and if you enjoyed our craft, you can visit us at Washoe County Library's website, or our Facebook page for other fun crafts and STEAM activities. Thanks very much. Happy Revenge of the Sith Day. Bye.